morning everyone! Today is Monday and I will go to Ikea and Mandaue Foam today to do some furniture sourcing with a client. I am very excited because this is the first time I will be able to visit the actual Ikea store in the Philippines, so it's going to be a long day today. And I'm going to take you guys with me, so let's go!
Like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh.
There's a void here next to me while I lay asleep at night. A sensation of something gone when I dim the lights. Cold air still creeps inside though the windows remain closed. Absence makes the heart grow fonder as the saying goes. But let's not dwell on this time apart. Let's not.
So today is shoot day and I just arrived here on site.
Decades in the future.
Around 9 a.m. so our shoot will start around 10 a.m. so I'll just fix this side around to make it, picture perfect, and then I'll do the filming later on when the shoot is over. So let's fix the site. Okay, so the shoot is over and now I am just fixing the site before I go home. So thank you guys again so much for watching this video. By this time that you've watched this, I'm pretty sure that I have already uploaded the design review for this project. But I do hope that you also enjoy the behind the scenes of this soft solderers project, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye!